And if somebody types in toilet repair near me, when they get to your landing page, if your landing page headline says toilet repair near me, it's going to look like it was software generated, and it's going to make people lose trust and therefore work against you, lower your conversion rate versus raise it, where if a human is writing the headline, they don't have to like verbatim copy exactly what they want in the headline. They can say, what's the best way to phrase this so it's close to what the user wanted, but look like a human still did this. And what we do in that situation exactly is, it's for toilet repair near me as a search, we'll have the headline say toilet repair near you in Dallas area. So it looks natural. That's the same reason why you want the headline on your ad to be handwritten as well, so it looks natural.